Placeit Wrapped is here. To celebrate and say farewell to this year, we created this video for you to take a deep dive into the most memorable mockups of the year. We're talking about our best-selling ones, those that our customers downloaded over and over, making them your favorites. How many of these did you use this year? Let's find out. Number 10. Tank top placed on a wooden hanger. Number 9. Tubular bandana mockups featuring a customizable background. Number 8. Frame poster placed against a concrete wall. Number 7. Woman showing off her crew neck t-shirt. Number 6. Bearded man wearing a t-shirt in a studio. Number 5. Sublimated square pillow placed on a plain colored surface. Number 4. Pullover hoodie over a customizable surface. Number 3. Face mask placed on a minimalist setting. Number 2. Ghosted pullover hoodie with a colored background. Number 1. Face mask laying on a solid color surface. Seeing this year in review, all that we can do is thanking you both, YouTube subscribers and users, for trusting Placeit and letting us share a memorable and challenging year with you. Don't forget that you can find all the links of these mockups down in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe.